We have more information for you tonight on a story we broke for you exclusively on 6 News at 11 after the top 2 floors of Lansing City Hall flooded over the weekend. City spokesperson Natalie Huffnagel tells 6 News the flood was caused by a leak in a part of the building's heating and cooling system, which runs on water and steam. After the water is removed and repairs are made to carpets and ceiling tiles, Huffnagel says it will cost taxpayers a few $1,000s. In the meantime, the city is working with a developer to move operations for the city a few blocks south into the old Masonic Temple. City officials are also working to sell the 66-year-old City Hall, which costs about $500,000 a year to maintain.